So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find a townhouse for rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go ahead and select a location. So for this example, how about I search up Los Angeles? Just for this example. So once the location is selected, I want you to go to the top left area to where it says type. So in between pets and price, press on type. Then on the drop down, scroll down to where it says townhouse. Make sure that townhouse is selected and then press on view. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search regarding townhouses for rent. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find a townhouse for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.